that every public school in America is now on notice that if they tell a child that they're trapped in the wrong body, they are committing child abuse. And as we remove the far-left extremism from the classroom, we're taking historic action to ensure that every child in America has access to a first-class education. The United States spends more money on education than any other country in the world by double, and our results should be better than they are. I would look at lists where we're rated out of the 40 top nations, we're rated number 38, 30.
Finally, we have a president in that Oval Office that cares about children's education. You don't need to be telling little boys and little girls that they are stuck in the wrong body to go test things out. Let kids be kids. Teach them math, science, history. None of that woke, liberal, DEI bullcrap.